Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on replacing the cable for your Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. You can usually find these tools in your home toolbox, but if you don't have them, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, before we proceed, make sure your vacuum is unplugged. Safety first. The next step is to remove the screws that hold the top cover in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate the two screws at the top of the vacuum. Carefully unscrew them and set them aside. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the top cover. This will expose the internal components of the vacuum. Here, you'll notice the cable connection points. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. A clean working environment helps prevent future issues. If you're unsure about the cleaning process, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs and maintenance. Next, locate the cable that is attached to the motor. You will see the connection secured with a couple of screws. Use your flathead screwdriver to loosen these screws carefully. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them for reassembly later. Now, you can gently pull the cable out from its connector. If the cable is damaged, it's time to replace it with a new one. Ensure the replacement cable is compatible with your Dyson HD01. If you're not certain, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you get the right part. Once you have the new cable, feed it through the same pathway as the old one. Make sure it's securely in place before tightening the screws back down. This will ensure that your new cable is firmly connected to the motor. After securing the cable, it's time to reattach the top cover of your vacuum. Align it properly and replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them gently to avoid stripping the screws. Finally, it's essential to test the vacuum before putting everything back together. Plug it in and turn it on to ensure the new cable is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, remember, no calls, no travel, just reach out for expert help if needed. With the vacuum running smoothly, you can now finish reassembling your device. Place the top cover back on and ensure all components fit snugly. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the cable on your Dyson HD01. Regular maintenance is crucial for the longevity of your vacuum cleaner. If you ever feel overwhelmed or unsure, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. We're here to help with our professional services at your convenience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.